Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic tutorial lined up just for you. We're going to show you exactly how to create a slow DNS server using the UDP custom website and set it up on the Netmod VPN app for blazing fast and secure internet access. If you want more hidden VPN tricks and updates, be sure to check out our blog, link in the description below. And if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends who love free and private browsing. Let's dive right in. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Once the homepage loads, locate the menu button, usually at the top corner of the screen. Click it to reveal the drop-down list and select Slow DNS Server. This will bring you to a page where you can choose your server location. Pick the location that's closest to you or the one you prefer. After selecting the server, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Enter your username, solve the CAPTCHA, and then click on Create Now. In just a few seconds, your slow DNS server details will be displayed. Copy the entire configuration carefully. You'll need it for the next step. Now, let's move on to setting things up in the Netmod VPN app. If you haven't already installed the app, go to the Google Play Store, search for Netmod VPN, and download the latest version. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, tap the small plus icon at the top to expand the menu. From the list, tap on SSH Slow DNS. This is the mode we'll be using. A new page will open. Here's what you need to do. In the remarks field, enter any custom name for your setup. In the DNS field, type 8.8.88.53. This is Google DNS. Then paste the server IP or name, public key, username, and password from the UDP custom site into their respective fields. Once everything is filled in, tap the Save icon at the top right corner. Now your server is added successfully. To connect, just press the play button at the bottom of the app, and that's it. You're now connected to a fast and secure slow DNS VPN. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Now you know how to create a slow DNS server and use it effectively with the Netmod VPN app. It's a simple and powerful method to enhance your online privacy and speed. Totally free. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.